there, thank you very much for joining us at the Amplified Author course run by IFBook Australia. My name's Emily Craven and I'm the digital producer here at IFBook. Now, the Amplified Author course is all about giving you the tools to navigate the digital and indie publishing industry, to provide you information on ebooks, on publishing industry, and help you develop practical skills so that you can release your own ebook. Now, this course is aimed for writers who are working with publishers to produce digital editions for small presses, to writers who are wanting to publish their own work by themselves, for writers groups, or for anybody interested in the changes that have been going on in the publishing industry. Now, I know many authors are overwhelmed by the masses of information and companies out there on the internet, and many of us don't want to waste our writing time sifting through all of that out-of-date data to try and find what works and how to go about doing this e-publishing thing simply and easily. And I know that it can be pretty frustrating when you have a lack of clear direction in how to go about this. So that is what this course is going to do for you. Amplified Author is all you need to navigate the digital publishing landscape, and it comes in 6 easy modules. First module is learning all about what it means to be an amplified author. In this, we're going to talk about how ebooks work. We're going to be talking about the devices, the formats, and what you can and can't do with an ebook in comparison to a print book. In the second module, we'll be going through the ebook ecosystem. So we'll be talking about ebook models that real-life authors are using right now. And in the 3rd to 6th modules, we're going to be giving you actionable steps to help you prepare your book for upload, to format your book, and how to upload your book into all of the major retailers. So how do you navigate this course? There are 4 different components. First, watch. Get a feel for the information from these videos and take notes. Then listen. We have a whole heap of audio podcasts of the content. So if you're pressed for time and you find that the only time you can really get through this content is on commutes while you're doing your exercise or perhaps even while you're doing your housework, the audios are there so that you can listen to the content in your spare time. And then read the PDFs. The PDFs have a detailed breakdown of everything that we go through in the videos. It also has screen grabs and it's basically there for an easy reference so that you don't have to keep going through the videos to find that bit of golden information you were after. And finally, ask questions. We do monitor the email here at AWM and someone will normally respond to you in 1 to 2 business days. So what are you waiting for? Go do it.